Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Imanina Nazifa binti Zaiful with metric number 205659. Today I will do an experiment on streaking for single isolated colonies. The purpose of this experiment is to produce discrete colonies. Colonies are individual, macroscopically visible masses of microbial on a solid medium surface, each representing the multiplication of a single organism. The streak plate method is a rapid qualitative isolation method. It is essentially a dilution technique that involves spreading a loopful of culture over the surface of an agar plate. The following procedure is a four-way streak plate technique. Firstly, with a sterile loop, place a loopful of culture on the agar surface in area 1. Then, drag it rapidly several times across the surface of area 1. After that, reflame and cool the loop and turn the petri dish 90 degrees. Then, touch the loop to a corner of the culture in area 1 and drag it several times across the agar in area 2. The loop should never enter area 1 again. Reflame and cool the loop and again turn the dish 90 degrees. Streak area 3 in the same manner as area 2. Without reflaming the loop, again turn the dish 90 degrees and then drag the culture from a corner of area 3 across area 4 using a wider streak. Don't let the loop touch any of the previously streaked areas. The plate is ready to incubate in an inverted position. This is the results from this experiment. That's all from me. Thank you.